step further, ClickUp has Universal Search now for Microsoft. So like right within ClickUp, you can search either using the AI feature or just the general search. You can actually search across the entire Microsoft ecosystem. Anything that you have access to, permissions to, it'll search the entire Microsoft ecosystem and pull that into you in ClickUp. So it'll actually demo everything, like basically, so if I want to look up Jackie, right, and I want to look for all the resumes that we've ever developed for Jackie, ever, or every single client that we've worked with that Jackie's been on, we can just type that into ClickUp, and then it just rattles every single thing about Jackie in ClickUp. Other cool things are like within Outlook itself, right? Like let's say, for instance, you get a request from a client to do X thing, right? X task, right? Like they're missing this thing or something broke in their system. You can just take that email and then click the ClickUp integration button, and then it'll just display. You'll be able to create or attach that that email directly to a ClickUp task. So again, you're doing the work in the space where you like to work or where you're receiving that information, and then it pushes that information over to other